What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, recently I had to serve someone a restraining order. It's not something I ever thought I'd have to do, but the person left me no choice. And let me tell you something. They absolutely loved it. So you know what? I'm gonna serve all you guys a restraining order. That's right, today's cocktail is called Restraining Order, and it was created by bartender Colin Shearn over at the Franklin Mortgage and Investment Company in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Now the cocktail itself is actually pretty simple, but what's cool about it, it's one of those rare stirred tequila cocktails. So I'm really looking forward to giving it a try and see what it's all about, right folks? So before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, so let us look at what is in the sauce for our restraining order cocktail. The first thing you're gonna need is 3/4 ounce of Aperol. And this is gonna give you some nice orange notes, some very fresh, bright orange notes. Okay, then we're gonna need 1.5 ounces of Reposado Tequila. I'm going to be using Aperol. Of course, you can use whatever you have. And then you're gonna want 4 dashes of Celery Bitters. Okay, I'm gonna be using my buddy Peter Patrician's Celery Bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, beautiful. Then just gonna add some ice to our mixing glass. Like I said, guys, super simple cocktail, but I do like the fact that it's stirred and I want to give it a shot, all right? So anyway, 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred this bad boy up enough. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I think we're in for a good one, folks. All right, so I'm gonna be serving that in a rocks glass here, and let's go with a big old cube inside. Let's go ahead and pour this bad boy in. All right, a very, very pretty color. That is looking, oh, that's looking really nice, guys. All right, so very excited to try this bad boy out. And then the recipe stressed to make sure you have a nice long orange peel. Express them oils, because the oils are gonna play a big part in this bad boy. The oils are gonna be something else. All right, folks, there you go. Our, what's this called again? Oh yeah, our restraining order cocktail. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our restraining order cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Yeah, so definitely on the nose, because we did express the oils of the orange peel, you get a lot of bright citrus on the nose, which works really great when you have Aperol, because Aperol already delivers some of that, so it really helps it kind of accentuate it, right? Oh my God, that's delicious. Super refreshing. Very easy drinking, a bright cocktail. I think it has a perfect balance. It's got some floral, some citrus. You get the agave in there, and then the celery bitters actually adds a little bit of vegetal notes and stuff. This is a nice little sipper here, guys. Oh yeah, very nice. So if you're looking for some stirred tequila options, there aren't many out there. I gotta tell you, this is one that I would absolutely recommend, folks. It's really, really delicious, really refreshing, and really bright and effervescent. I think it's a delicious cocktail. Anyway, folks, I hope you give it a shot. And if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.